Televés leverages its experience in electronic technology and manufacturing metal structures to offer a full range of exterior and interior professional LED lighting products. Our technical office continues working with you to provide support and professional consulting, including custom lighting studies for each project. Our R&D engineers have extensive knowledge of electronic and mechanical design using 3D tools. Televés LED lighting range stands out for its excellent thermal management for a long lifetime with no maintenance. But perhaps the most highly valued aspect are the cutting-edge facilities where they're manufactured. An Industry 4.0 environment where products, processes, workers, and market needs create an automated ecosystem and a sustainable production space. That authentic passion for manufacturing that distinguishes Televés from its competitors extends beyond products. Televés designs its own manufacturing lines, which make up the entire robotic framework. Televés also has its own verification laboratory. We perform compatibility and safety tests according to regulations, as well as heat and excessive humidity tolerance testing and extreme aging simulations on components to verify how they behave in the most hostile environments. All LED lights within Televés professional LED lighting range have 3 modules that give it an unmistakable identity. Drivers, entirely designed and manufactured in our facilities. Their classification as Class 2 electrical isolation ensures protection against discharges, regardless of grounding or condition. The electronic circuits designed and manufactured by Televés for its LED modules are mounted on aluminum panels instead of fiber, encouraging dissipation and therefore allowing for a longer lifespan. The optics used are high-quality lenses, whose efficient design allows them to provide light only where needed. They also allow the distance between lights to be optimized, increasing energy efficiency and reducing costs. Televés professional LED lighting range is especially designed for exterior and interior professional applications, urban settings such as streets, squares, roads, and highways, as well as interior settings such as factories and industrial warehouses, rural environments such as parks and gardens, and decorative lighting systems. It is also designed to update any park from lights to LED systems. Professional LED lighting range. Efficient lighting guaranteed by Televés.